Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best Pie Rings is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in the kitchen, especially for those of us who love a good homemade pie. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pie rings, specifically designed for a 9-inch crust. We'll explore what makes a great pie ring, how it can elevate your baking game, and which ones are worth your hard-earned money. Number 5. Nordic Ware Adjustable Pie Shield. Introducing a special tool designed for baking. This shield is made to help you achieve perfectly baked pies every time. Tired of burnt pie crusts? This aluminum shield is here to help. It protects the edges, ensuring they bake evenly. The sliding design adjusts to fit pies from 8 to 10 inches. It's versatile and easy to use for various pie sizes. This shield can withstand heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's durable and built to last through many baking sessions. This product is globally sourced. It is a reliable tool for all your baking needs. What we like? This shield features an adjustable design, making it versatile for various pie sizes. It effectively prevents burnt edges, ensuring your crusts are perfectly baked. If you're looking for a reliable solution to protect your pie crusts, this is a great choice. What people say? Easy to assemble and fits multiple sizes due to it expanding. The adjustable pieces snap together easily and allow me to use both larger or smaller than 9 pans without dealing with awkward fit. Adjustable size is very handy. Number 4. Pie Crust Shield Adjustable Silicone Baking Tool. Tired of burnt pie crust edges? This protective shield ensures your apple pies, cherry pies, and quiches bake to golden perfection. It's the secret to flawless pies every time. This tool easily adjusts to fit different sized pie tins. The tab lock system keeps it securely in place, so you can bake with confidence. It's designed for convenience. Made from reusable, flexible, and food-safe silicone, this shield hugs the edges of your tins perfectly. It's a durable and reliable baking companion. With red, blue, and yellow colors, it's easy to identify the right size for your tin. This feature makes baking even more convenient. It's all about making your life easier. Cleaning is a breeze, just use soap and water or toss it in the dishwasher. It's also space-saving for easy storage. This makes it a practical addition to any kitchen. What we like? This product is adjustable for all sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for your pie tins. Made from food-safe silicone, it is reusable and flexible. If you like having options and need a versatile tool, this is the one for you. What people say? No more messing with foil and better crusts that do not get dark. Put on before popping into the oven and the crust bakes to a nice golden brown. Easy to adjust to different sizes. Number 3. Mrs. Anderson's 8-inch Pie Crust Protector Shield. Introducing a simple solution for perfect pies. This shield helps prevent burnt crusts and allows your pies to bake evenly. This pie crust shield prevents overbrowning and reduces spillage. It's designed to make your baking experience much easier. Made from strong aluminum, this shield is built to last. It's a reliable tool for both frozen and homemade pies. Easily bake your pies without worrying about burnt edges. It's great for blind baking empty pie crusts too. Simple to use and stays in place while baking. It's more convenient and economical than using aluminum foil. What we like? This shield prevents both burning and spillage, keeping your oven clean. Made from durable aluminum, it's built to last. If you want a simple and economical solution, consider this. What people say? They worked great. No more tearing foil and wrapping the edges. Great idea. Well-made product. They fit the small pot pies perfectly. It covers the outer edge of the crust just right, so the top doesn't overbrown or burn while the center heats through. I use this on my deep dish 9 pie plates and it fits perfectly. The edge is cooked at the same rate as the top crust. This is a lot easier than using foil. Number 2. Adjustable Silicone Pie Crust Shields, 8 to 11.4 inch. This pie crust protector is made of high-quality silicone. It's BPA-free and non-toxic, ensuring your food's safety. This shield prevents your pie crust from overbaking. It reduces spillage, making it more convenient than alternatives. Easily adjust the size by sliding the lock. It fits pies from 8 to 11.4 inches, ensuring a perfect fit every time. It's dishwasher, oven, and microwave safe. Suitable for homemade and frozen pies, as well as puff pastry. This pie crust shield can withstand heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use it with confidence knowing it's made from food-safe silicone. What we like. This protector is made of high-quality silicone, ensuring food safety. It features an adjustable design to fit various pie sizes. If you are looking for a safe and adjustable option, this is perfect for you. What people say. Pie crusts are perfectly crimped and baked evenly. The pie rings are easy to use and clean. The crusts are beautiful and professional looking. Number 1. Talisman Designs Pie Crust Shield Protector. Introducing the Talisman Designs Pie Crust Shield. This handy tool prevents your pie crust edges from burning while the center bakes to golden perfection. It's a must-have for perfect pies. This one-piece, flexible silicone shield is easy to use and more effective than foil. It's also reusable, making it a convenient and eco-friendly choice for all your baking needs. Made from BPA-free, food-safe silicone, this shield can withstand heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You can bake with confidence, knowing it's designed for safety and durability. The adjustable design fits pie pans from 8 to 11.5 inches. Simply slide the lock to adjust the diameter, ensuring a perfect fit for almost any pie dish. Cleanup is a breeze. This pie shield is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Keep your kitchen tidy and enjoy your delicious, perfectly baked pies. What we like. This product features an adjustable silicone design, ensuring a perfect fit for your pie pans. Its reusable one-piece design is more effective than foil. If you like a product that is easy to store and use, you should consider this. What people say. The pie rings are easy to use. The crusts came out perfect. The pie rings are easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.